Yes, my people, it's your boy, and I'm back. My brother, my brother, he said I need to listen to Young the Giant, Cough Syrup. Let's go.
Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come
Life's too short to even care at all. Hey.
coming up now out of the blue. These zombies in the
Got a good voice as well.
keep on my heart. A dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short.
I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down.
I'm losing my
Mad.
mind, losing my mind, losing control.
The way the guitar just, you hear the guitar just slowly come in. Hey, hey, hey.
Find a way to see this train, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. Whoa.
This song, man, I can really picture myself driving down the motorway, driving down the street, listening to this. It's one of those driving car music, man. I really felt that. The thing that stood out to me the most was the guitar. Do you know what I mean? The guitar and his voice, actually. His voice was good, but the guitar, especially that acoustic guitar that kept coming in, really a nice song. I did enjoy it, and it made me feel good, man, definitely. But my people, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and keep your post notifications on to see more. Peace out.